Hi, my name's Jai Reid from O'Brien Real Estate and welcome to 71 Richardson Drive, Mornington. Let me take you inside and show you some of this property's standout features. The home's split level design has wow factor from the moment you walk in the front door. The high cathedral ceilings also allow for an abundance of natural light. The designer kitchen has been perfectly renovated with ample space and storage for the whole family. From this location, you are just a short walk to the ever-popular Mornington Main Street and the beautiful Peninsula coastline. Thank you for watching the video tour of 71 Richardson Drive. You can give me a call for more information or your own private inspection.